Dr. Contessa here from the Philippines. I've been a practicing aesthetic physician for about 14 years already. Okay, so Eloderm was introduced to us in the Philippines last year, and the first thing that we have realized about it, it was a new generation of radiofrequency with microneedling. Because of its cooling gas system, it's able to help our patients who don't want to experience any pain during the RFMN treatment. So radiofrequency microneedling Eloderm is a specific device that manages those skin concerns like acne scars, active acne, aging skin, sagginess, open pores or enlarged pores, and other skin imperfections. And this one was so beneficial for our patients because it's giving that lifting, tightening, firming, collagen stimulation, and it's rejuvenating the skin, improving the skin quality, as well as giving that regenerative effect on their skin. Okay, this Eloderm radiofrequency microneedling, the indications will include those with problems of aging skin, fine wrinkles, deep wrinkles, also those patients with acne scars, acne blemishes, and even those with pigmentations, melasma, blemishes, or other types of pigmentary problems. And we have even used it for cases of hyperhidrosis. So multiple indications overall, improving skin quality, skin texture. So I could say skin rejuvenation, anti-aging, lifting benefits, tightening, collagen stimulation, and I could say this is a best machine that I could have in my clinic right now. So the wonderful thing with Eloderm is the cryogas, okay? So it has this cooling spray. It helps patients who are afraid of pain. The thing with radiofrequency microneedling, there are patients who are experiencing this pain from the microneedling penetration into their skin. And because of that pain, patients don't return for the treatment. Since Bison was able to manufacture this device that has this cryogas, it really reduced any pain, any discomfort. So it's like patients have this relaxed condition. They don't have any fear of the pain from the treatment itself. So the cryogas, at the same time, it's beneficial because it prevents any superficial skin layer damage or the so-called epidermal burn. And so it's able to deliver in the dermal layer the optimal temperature, the right RF energy to really have that effective collagen remodeling. There you go. Okay, there you go, folks. Okay. Thank you so much. So Eloderm is really a very good radiofrequency microneedling device. I could say it's the first kind of a device that has this cryogas or cooling gas system. Plus, actually the cartridges, there are two types, the vacuum as well as the cooling gas. So this is something that's gonna be very beneficial. It's a game changer, and it's really gonna make our patients satisfied with the treatment. Thank you.